So, in the beginning of May 2025, I bought my GasGas 125 Supermoto. It was not the best looking bike, but I knew it had potential. I changed all the plastics to white and also the seat cover, but I didn't think that was enough. Today I'm gonna put on a brand new graphics kit on the bike. Watch till the end to see the results. Today I'm going to transform this bike into my dream Supermoto. This is gonna be a part 2 of the build series where I put on a brand new graphics kit for this bike. So let's begin. So I'm gonna begin by spraying on some rubbing alcohol and then just scrubbing on the plastic so that the graphics doesn't peel off because of like fats and other stuff on the plastics. But these are my brand new graphics from PL Decals. I went with a fully custom design and I think it turned out pretty great. I went with the white base with the red, black and the gold details, and then also the matte finish. I decided to not go with any glitter and stuff like that because, you know, I just want like a clean look on the graphics. But yeah, I think they made a good job with this at least. So yes, but let's put it on. I guess it should go like this. What you want to do is peel off this paper here. Then you just want to align it up how you want it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this plastic and this plastic over here is that I'm gonna take them off and put on the decals inside because it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so both of these two went on pretty smoothly. I think this has been a bit wrongly printed. As you can see, the hole is there and the printed hole is right here, but it doesn't really matter. But anyways, now it's time for the hardest part, the radiator covers. Okay, so now the radiator cover is done. I think it turned out really good actually. There are some small imperfections, but other than that it was really good. But now let's just do the other one and then we'll move on to the rest of the plastics. What the hell? I just blinked and it suddenly got dark. But anyways, I did the radiator covers. As you can see, they turned out pretty good. And now I'm gonna do this thing. I don't know, it's kind of a side plastic thing. Just put on this like one decal here. And then after that I'm gonna do the front fender. So yes. I have the front fender here and now I'm gonna put on the decals. Okay, so I got these decals on and yeah, they fit pretty good. I'm gonna do the ones that goes here and up here.
Okay, so I forgot to film when I put the plastics back on, but yeah, anyways, here's the results.
And I'm back in this like industrial area, and I'm gonna show you the results. Let's turn around for the big reveal. Look at this. But I'm really a fan of the look. I mean, it looks really clean, but I mean, I'm a big fan of like when you kind of mix between flashy and clean kit, you know. I still have to put on the decals on the fork covers, or what you call it, and also the swing arm. But I think on the swing arm I'm gonna put on like black swing arm protectors and then put on decals on those. I'm really a fan of the gold. Firstly, I was thinking about not going with any gold, just white with red and black details, but then I felt like maybe gold would be nice, and it was really nice, so I'm really happy that I had the gold. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you know, if you want to see more content like this where I build bikes and ride them, feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Mm-hmm.